We're gonna look for the best builder, the best place, and we heard from our banker to come to Desert Color. And we couldn't find a lot because there are none available. It's become a legacy of our family that we'll probably never get rid of. What do I want?
The biggest and the best.
The biggest and the best.
Hey, it's Brett Boyce with Splitrock Custom Homes. I'm here with Fred Penny, owner of this incredible home that we built right on the water at Desert Color. Excited to talk about this house and hear some of the favorite features Fred has, along with his wife Kathleen, and also an exciting new venture that we're gonna do with Fred's family in another great area. We'll talk about that here in a few minutes. But I don't know, Fred, what do you think about this house? It's not too bad, huh?
Yeah, it works barely. It's what an exciting time for us to meet Brett and Mindy Boyce. When we first heard about Desert Color, we are from California, but we wanted to come to St. George, weren't quite sure where to go, and we decided, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna look for the best builder, the best place, and we heard from our banker to come to Desert Color. And we couldn't find a lot because there were none available. But someone hooked up with Brett Boyce and he wanted to sell us his personal lot.
That's
and
right.
We've been friends ever since.
It's been great.
This is Brett's personal lot, right?
Well,
this was kind of your personal lot.
It wasn't available.
Yeah.
Remember we talked about it and you said, I gotta have the biggest, the best house and lot. And so when we started, this wasn't even a lot yet.
No.
And we even had to modify it from the original design to give you what you wanted.
Which, what I want, what do I want?
The biggest and the best.
The biggest and the best. That's the way I fly. I said, if I can't get the biggest, the best, and the nicest home with the best builder, I'm not doing it. And then that's when we met, and we're like best friends now. But
Awesome.
I love everything about this. I was talking to my wife about the house, and I said, what is your favorite part of the house? And she said, everything. And there's not one specific thing that we don't like about us. I mean, look at the waterfall, just the waterfall. Now, I'm gonna jump on that. So our family owns water parks. And I said, Brett, we need a second story waterfall. And remember we talked to the pool guy, what did he say?
He's like, I don't think we can do it.
Can't do it. So I called my family, can we do this? Oh yeah, you can do that. And so we really went full tilt in designing not just the house, but the pool area with this very unique waterfall that nobody else has a second story sheet. What is it, 18 feet wide or 10 feet
like
wide?
8 feet wide. But then you also, the slide was another thing you wanted to add.
Right, so again, being in the water park business, we said we got to put a slide in. And again, I don't know if we can do that.
Yeah, fit it in, and now everyone wants a slide.
They can't get them like this. This slide is fast, second story, but there is nothing about this house that we don't like. I wanted a large video / theater room, right? And I wanted a stage. And so because of that, we put our heads together and we've got a beautiful, everything I wanted, to be honest with you, Splitrock has done. I mean, Brett, at first like, I don't know, we haven't done that. What do I say? Okay, do it.
Let's do it.
And then we've done it. And that's, we'll talk later about another project we're gonna do. And after we finish this wonderful house, my wife and I talked and we said, okay, what can we do next with Splitrock and Brett?
It's been a great team, and we're just honored to work with the Penny family and to do yet another project. But this one was just a remarkable process from the beginning to the end. And even now, we still talk quite often, even though we've been done with the house for over a year.
Over a year.
Just because it was such a passion project for our team and our guys, going from inception. I remember when we started, just to get a vision, we took you and Kathleen up on a lift up to the 3rd level so you could get a visual of what that would feel like.
Right.
And I think we've got a photo of that. It's great. But then to go down 23 feet for a basketball court in the basement and a step down theater that really, you look at that theater, it's like a true theater experience. I love it. Yeah,
and I'll tell you about our family. We have built some beautiful homes. And this is not a brag thing, but it's a fact. We have one of the most beautiful homes in Malibu. We love our Malibu house. It doesn't touch this house. This house is by far the most beautiful, well-appointed, well-built house, even better than our Malibu house. And our family just loves coming here. And so we rent it out as a rental, and so it's gone all the time.
Yeah.
But when there's a little window, we'll jump in and we'll take that time, and our family comes and enjoys this wonderful house. And the kids and grandkids, and it's become a legacy of our family that we'll probably never get rid of. It's very rare in our family we will ever sell anything.
Yeah.
At all. I mean, we have our water parks. We have one down in Anaheim, California that we've had since the 1970s. We still haven't sold it, you know, so I think we'll be stuck here for a while.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. My goal is to build incredible homes for wonderful people like you and your family, and I love hearing that. I love to build a home for somebody that can enjoy it like you do. It's just, it does my heart so good, and I'm just so thrilled and so happy to be a part of it, so thank you.
Yeah, thank you for building. So you think it ends there, right? That's where it ends. But then we stay in touch with each other. We're close to the family. They love our kids and I love their kids. We get to know each other, and I'm kind of going, wow, I miss not seeing Brett and Mindy, my friends. I said, well, I wonder what other projects are going on. So now we're in step 2 of the next project. We'll talk a little bit about that, and I'm going to tell you, I had the same attitude as I did with this, and then Brett could tell you about that next project.
So we got involved in the last year on a project, you know, a little bit similar to Desert Color, called Zion Shores, and it's just next level. And I called Fred and I said, hey, I've got another project. If you're wanting to work again, let's do it. And so we took him out, we showed him, this is a great opportunity to be the first again.
Number 1.
Fred's goal, the biggest or the first, and so we're gonna be the first on this next one, but it is another beautiful home on the water, and Fred said, let's go. So I didn't tell you this, we poured footings this morning.
I heard there, so we don't get to come out here that often. I heard they poured the footings, and so I wasn't sure they were going, but he said, oh no, we gotta get going by the parade of homes in February 27th. That's not much time.
I know, we gotta move.
And they gotta move, so we told Mindy, just you won't see Brett anymore. He'll be making sure our home was taken care of. But we went a little bit smaller because this was just such a huge project, and we just can't get that home in quick enough. But we want to be the first home, and so we'll be the first home. There's someone competing with us,
hey, we're gonna be
we're going to be about the same time in this huge project. What, 8 acres of water?
So this next project is 9 acres of waterfront homes, and then another 3.5 acres of a full-on ocean surf wave. This Zion Shores is going to be an epic project, and I'm so glad you're involved on that, but we got to move. Parade February 2027, open to the public, and it will be an epic show, and I'm excited to be a part of it with you.
Yeah, the whole family's excited, and we're going to get our family a little more excited with the girls, and the boys don't care. As they know, we're lawyers, so we're very busy, and we're all over the country with our law firm, and so any chance I get to stop into St. George to do business, and we have offices in Utah also, I do it, and I try to jump and see my house, but then we hang out with the Boyces. We're like,
love it.
Let's figure a time that we can go see the Boyces. They're busy too. He's building houses. He's going to take us to a house out in Black Desert.
Yeah, we're going to go see Black Desert. That's another project we're working on. I just want to show you all this fun stuff. And maybe we have another one, who knows? But let's go.
The problem is he's going to drain my bank account. No, he won't drain my bank account. But we appreciate you, Brett, and thank you so much for everything you do. We love this family. We love Splitrock. Hey, and I love iceberg too. You can know where my icebergs.
That's another one.
That's another one we'll talk about.
We're just so grateful to be working with you again, and love the experience, love the relationship. So thank you for this opportunity, and look at this house.
Home run. Can't do any better than this.